How to take accurate phone messages for medical practices. How to take accurate phone messages for medical practices. 1. Use a standard message form. Always record messages on a standardized form or electronic system. Include fields for the caller's name, phone number, reason for calling, and urgency level. 2. Write legibly and clearly. If using paper forms, ensure handwriting is clear and easy to read. Avoid abbreviations that could lead to misinterpretation. 3. Confirm and repeat information. Repeat the caller's name, phone number, and message details to ensure accuracy. Ask clarifying questions if needed. 4. Record the date and time. Always note when the call was received. This helps track response times and follow-ups. 5. Identify the intended recipient. Specify which doctor, nurse, or department the message is for. If unsure, ask the caller for guidance. 6. Maintain confidentiality. Follow HIPAA or other privacy regulations when handling patient information. Avoid discussing sensitive details in open areas. 7. Deliver messages promptly. Ensure messages reach the appropriate person as soon as possible. Use electronic systems for faster communication when available. Don'ts to have accurate phone messages for medical practices. 1. Failing to gather complete information. Missing key details like the patient's name, date of birth, or reason for the call can lead to miscommunication. 2. Not prioritizing urgent messages. Ignoring the urgency of a patient's symptoms can delay critical care. 3. Using unclear or vague language. Messages should be specific and detailed to avoid confusion. 4. Forgetting to confirm details. Always repeat the information back to the caller to ensure accuracy. 5. Not documenting messages properly. Incomplete or illegible notes can lead to errors in patient care. 6. Ignoring HIPAA compliance. Never discuss sensitive patient information in unsecured environments. 7. Failing to follow up. If a message requires action, ensure it is relayed and addressed promptly. 8. Multitasking while taking messages. Distractions can lead to mistakes in recording important details. 9. Using abbreviations that cause confusion. Avoid shorthand that could be misinterpreted by medical staff. 10. Not training staff on best practices. Regular training ensures consistency and accuracy in message taking. 11. Not asking for a callback number. Always confirm the best number for returning the call to avoid delays. 12. Misinterpreting urgency. Ensure you understand whether the issue requires immediate attention or can wait. 13. Failing to note the date and time. Always document when the call was received for accurate tracking. 14. Not using a standardized format. Inconsistent message taking can lead to missing critical details. 15. Forgetting to verify the caller's identity. Confirm the patient's full name and date of birth to avoid mix-ups. 16. Allowing distractions. Background noise or multitasking can lead to errors in recording messages. 17. Not relaying messages promptly. Delays in passing messages to the appropriate person can impact patient care. 18. Using unclear handwriting or abbreviations. If using paper logs, ensure messages are legible and avoid confusing shorthand. 19. Ignoring follow-up protocols. If a message requires action, ensure it is addressed and followed up accordingly. 20. Not training staff on best practices. Regular training ensures consistency and accuracy in message taking. Benefits in having accurate phone messages for medical practices. Accurate phone messages in medical practices provide several key benefits that enhance patient care and operational efficiency. Here are some of the most important advantages. 1. Improved patient safety. Ensures critical information is relayed correctly, reducing the risk of medical errors. Helps prioritize urgent cases for timely intervention. 2. Enhanced communication efficiency. Reduces misunderstandings between patients, staff, and healthcare providers. Ensures doctors receive complete and accurate details for better decision-making. 3. Increased patient satisfaction. Patients feel heard and valued when their concerns are properly documented and addressed. Timely responses improve trust and confidence in the medical practice. 4. Reduced legal risks. Proper documentation of phone messages helps protect medical practices from malpractice claims. Ensures compliance with healthcare regulations and HIPAA guidelines. 5. Streamlined workflow. Organized message taking prevents delays in patient care and administrative tasks. Helps staff manage appointments, prescription requests, and follow-ups more efficiently. 6. Better coordination among medical teams. Accurate messages ensure seamless communication between nurses, doctors, and administrative staff. Reduces the chances of miscommunication that could affect patient treatment. And lastly, 7. Increased productivity. Minimizes the need for repeated calls due to unclear or incomplete messages. Allows healthcare providers to focus on patient care rather than resolving communication errors.
And that ends our video. Hope this was interesting, and we're glad to have you with us. Thank you for watching.